got that sock coming.
Lift up your pant leg.
Let me get iPhones.
Buddy, you ready?
Who's filming it?
Buddy, you ready?
Hey, I'm filming.
Get me. This is Taylor Shirley.
I'm running out of gas, man.
This is the Bullet brand.
Sure is about to get branded.
Like I said.
Ready?
Wait.
Don't look.
How you feel about this, man?
Put it right here.
Ready?
Quick. Shit! Shit! Fuck!
Let me see that.
Fuck!
Oh my god.
Yeah, is that your skin?
Yeah, it's my fucking skin. Fuck! Shit, man, you held it on there longer than 2 fucking seconds. Oh my god! Damn, man.
Oh.
Dude, look at my skin.
Oh, that's pretty.
My skin's peeling now.
Let me see it.
Oh.
Put some hydrogen peroxide on it.